A very good morning to all of you guys. So it's 25 of April 2026. It's Saturday, and the best part is I don't have to go to the work because it's a not holiday. It's last Saturday of month, and in court there is a clearance day. They called clearance day, and there is only jail bail work, and I don't have any kind of this work. And it's also a holiday of state government, so executive courts are also closed today. And so I am planning not to go out and stay at home. And it's also uh, a very scorching days nowadays, and the entire week I I went through the scorching hot day, and I got exhausted. So I was seeking badly uh, leave day, but I couldn't refrain from my work because that's my duty to go to the court and stay there, and whatever work come my way, I will do that. So it's uh, relief for my day, and tomorrow will be Sunday, so I will stay at home. So this is what. And yesterday it was very hot outside. When I returned home, I felt very exhausted, and my headache. I am having headache these days. I have been having have a headache for many days after returning, and it's the effect of the heat outside. And yesterday evening I had to take my daughter to the market, and when I returned it was late. It was approx 8:30 to 9 p.m. So yesterday went very engaging and very exhausting, but I think the morning is good, but still I am feeling feeling the heat. So now it's a time of random speak, and nothing is coming in my mind. So you know what I am feeling these days. I have been practicing this English language consistently for more than uh, 3 months. 10th of May, I will complete my 4 month. And yes, English has started coming from my mouth. I am able to speak, but somewhere I stuck, and I not seeing any progress because I speak English, but not a controlled way. My thoughts, my words, my sentences all are scattered, and I try to uh, come out this situation where I have been stuck in. I'm not seeing any progress, and I uh, I have been started. I have started mm, taking help by ChatGPT. He ChatGPT gave me a 1 month plan, and it has been 5 days since I have been practicing on ChatGPT. ChatGPT gives me daily exercise, and I do as per ChatGPT direction, and I feel somewhere because it is time. Many people just drop out, leave leave his practice, and that's why they never uh, never finish their complete their this journey, and the journey becomes in vain, and I don't want let this happen with me, and I just keep sometimes it is our responsibility to whatever we have commenced, we have to maintain consistency. Sometimes we feel motivated, sometimes we feel demotivated, and this is our duty, because we know how will we keep ourselves motivated. So nowadays I am struggling with this kind of thought, because I speak, but I don't find the way I wanted to speak. I'm not feeling or finding that is a way, because I speak, but somewhere I after recording this video and after uploading videos, I just find that no, this is not way I should have spoken like this. I should have. So there I find I am not improving, and what to say now. So see, I am I'm trying to I try to stick with my these activities consistency, and I hope I will be come over this the words of where people drop out, give up, and I don't want to give up. So what else I can do? I want every time speak in English. I want every time think in English. But after uploading video, and I have to go to the court, and where I indulge myself, and I don't find any one or any uh, leisure time, less time where I could practice, think, and when I return, I feel so exhausted. So it is also a challenging job for me, and learning all alone is also a tough job, difficult job, which I am doing. And I thought that I should join any English uh, learning platform on, uh, but uh, I am confused about which is right, which site is right or wrong, which will help me or not, and they seeing their fee structure. I also dropped that idea because they are charging 10,000, 15,000, and what if I spend this time uh, that much money and don't find a right platform for me? What would I do? I because I have made these mistakes so many times. I am, I have been craving for this learning this language for so many times, for so many years, and I have uh, spent money for different sites platform many times, and I don't get a result there, even though I was consistent, but their method uh, didn't resonate my learning style. So finally I dropped that mm, my spend platform, and I I couldn't get anything from there. So this is also my question. So if you have any suggestion, you can give me. Your suggestion are welcome. Uh, and so somehow I managed to speak uh, more than 10 minutes. So now I am here. I am going to wind up this video. I will see you in my next video. So thank you for watching up to now. Have a nice day, and thank you very much once again. Have a nice day. Thank you.